Hey, good morning. Here it is. It's a beautiful Monday morning. I have had another sensor on my Abbott Libre 14. This sensor failed last night while I was sleeping. It's happened 3 times. I spent about 5 minutes on the phone with Abbott. They're mailing me a new sensor. Very cool of them to do that. Again, I purchased an extra one. Actually, I purchased an extra 2 at this point, just in case. So I won't go without. Here's the old one that I mounted, here a week ago. This one lasted 9 days. I'm gonna take this one off. There we go. And ooh, there it is. There's the little probe that goes into my skin, and you can see it's really soft, pliable. It doesn't hurt at all to put these on. They look a lot more wicked than they actually are. I know I've had a couple people say like, oh my God, that thing looks huge. And there's a little circle right there. Get that stuff off of there. But I'm gonna mount this new one right below it. I'm gonna mount it a little lower on my arm. Gotta clean the area with some alcohol. And you gotta believe me, this does not, you feel nothing. If you know a diabetic that doesn't have this device, tell them about it. It's called the Libre 14. It's by Abbott Industries, and they have been amazingly helpful when their product hasn't worked correctly. It works perfectly, but I've had a couple that have failed, and they literally mail you a brand new one. I recommend, if you do get one of these, to go ahead and purchase a couple of extra sensors. Been using it for 6 months, and my blood glucose has gone from a hemoglobin A1C of an 8.2 when I started. I'm now at, I think my last hemoglobin A1C was a 6.4-ish. I get a new one here in a couple months. We'll find out. So here's the new sensor. This is the mounting hardware. It comes in a yogurt container, right? You basically just take this and push it down. That loads the spring. And the new one is in here loaded up. That's what they look like before you put it on. I know it looks really fucking nasty, and but it really isn't. There's no big deal at all. Okay. I'm gonna try not to put it on my tattoo, my new tattoo. There we go. And I'll clean that goo off there. All right, so all we do is push it down. You hear the little snap. Felt nothing. I'll roll it a little bit just to make sure the glue on the tape sticks. There it is. Let's see if I can test this. I think I tried this last time, and it didn't let me test while I had my phone going. Let's see if it'll do it. Well, it did not. It doesn't let me. It hangs up my, or it turns off my phone when I go to scan the sensor. So that's all you got to do. You take your cell phone, hold it up there, and now I've got to wait an hour before this one's ready to go. So, peace, y'all. Have a wonderful day. I know I will. Yeah.